It's struggling very bad to get out of the snow. It's a rear-wheel drive Lexus. I think this guy has a hard time going straight. Wow, the straight is. Alright, this is how driving in Dallas, Texas is during the snow time. It's been already 4 days or 5 days. It snowed and the roads are still covered in the snow. There's no signs of cleaning. मलाई एड्रेस कहाँ थाहा छ? एड्रेस कहाँ थाहा छ पनि?
कम्पनीको
हिँडेपछि थाहा हुन्छ? त्यहाँ बसी थाहा हुन्छ?
त्यहाँ होइन हुँदैन त्यो गरेर
यही बाटो जानु
त्यो राउन्ड अबाउटमा आउँछ
त्यहाँ राउन्ड अबाउट त सक्नुहुन्छ बाटो जाँदै चाहिएन
त्यो बाटो जाने धेरै कम्पनी
पुलिस जाने छैन पुलिस जाने छैन भन्ने कुरा हो
होइन अरू कम्पनी त पुग्यो हामीलाई नि के गर्छ खाँदो पानी छैन भनेपछि त कति पनि जसरी आउला त काम गरेर बक्सा सक्छ बनाउँछु त सफा
देखाउँछ शनिबार देखाएको त छैन बेलुका 6 बजे भने त 6 बजे लाग्थ्यो आज पनि अहिले घाम लाग्यो पछि जानु
तिमी एकछिन त्यहीँ बस अब त्यहाँ मान्छेहरूलाई के खाना राम्रो खाऊ
तपाईँ भित्र गइसकेपछि अनि टेक्स्ट गर्नु
भित्रै गएपछि फोन लाउनु पाइँदैन त्यहाँ वेटिङ एरिया त्यो त फोन लाउनु पाइँदैन वेटिङ एरियामा गइसकेर गाडी त धेरै आउँदैन पार्न राम्रो अन्दाज हुनु पऱ्यो त्यहाँ पर्ने बित्तिकै चिप्लिहाल्छ
चिप्ली त हाल्दैन खान अलिक गाह्रो हुन्छ लेनमा बसेको छ त
त्यहाँ भने अलिक खाली
You can see the patches in the street. They are mostly the ice particles, so the snow melt during the daytime, and later it's so cold that it will freeze right away. So it becomes more dangerous because it will be slippery, not just while braking but even while driving. So that is more dangerous to drive than just the snow itself. Snow is just powder. So I'll show you the difference, how different it is while braking on the snow versus the ice. So I'm holding 20 miles an hour. This looks pretty much like snow, so try to stop. I can stop without a problem, all the way to 0. Come along. So over here I see the ice here, so I'm holding 20 miles again. Try to stop. I'm holding my brakes, I'm still sliding. One more time. Quite surprised the next street over is pretty clean. I think it's just because of the flow of the traffic here. There's more cars running. This is much better than the one I was driving back there. No problems braking at all. Nice. Yeah, the guy was in a rush earlier. Even though the left lane was pretty icy, he still wanted to come to the lane and he was in a rush to go somewhere. He skid pretty good there. This guy has a hard time going straight. Wow, the street is pretty icy here. Driving back to the side street, so I guess. Yep. back to the same conditions.